This is the elevator at H&M on Fifth Avenue, New York. It's Kone. The escalators are also Kone. Passy, 3,000 pounds. Door close does not work. Wait a second. They have changed the doors. These used to be glass. Because the outside door is still glass, but it looks all black because the inner door has been changed. Yeah, I don't really like that. In fact, I don't like it at all. Yeah, see, this used to be glass. Oh, of course, we're stopping. Yeah. I'm annoyed that they changed the doors. Alright, this will be the final ride. We're going to end it, I believe, when I get to 5. This Big Brother camera here. Going over to it. You know what? Stopping again. Okay. Are we going?
2.
Come on. Here we are back up on 5. Oh no, this is 4. Yeah.